took the ends off this one as well. Now I'm going to try to hang it up. These curtains are really heavy, actually. So, oh, goodness. Maybe I should have waited. What if I just toss them a bit? Okay. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, shit. Oh. Okay. So far, so good. Oh, please, this loud ass computer. Okay. I think that's good. It's a mess. I need them to look a little more relaxed. They look a little tense right now. So I'm not gonna lie. I thought I had enough curtains for all four. For some reason, my math was a little bit off. The big windows needed 4 curtains. I ordered 3 packs of the natural and 2 packs of the Angora. There's 2 panels in each, so that's 10. For some reason, the math was mathing in my head, but now that I'm actually applying the math, I was wrong. So I had to order another pack. So one of the windows will be without curtains till Friday, which is fine because the TV's in front of it and you can't really see out of it anyway. But it's just always a hiccup in the plan. But at least it's not a terribly awful hiccup. It's one that we can deal with. Does my hair look like that the whole time? Okay. Let's try to hang this bad boy up. It's like just long enough. Okay, it's fine though. Hopefully. Okay. Let's lift this forward a bit. Okay. Okay. Oh. I might need to add that little baby rod. It's making me a bit nervous. I like them a lot.